Something magical happens when your buyer sees you not just as a salesperson, but as an educator, because educators care. What's going to make it so they truly see you as an educator, not just a hack, right? They have to be unbiased, the content that is. It needs to feel to the viewer, to the consumer, that yes, this person, this organization has my best interests at heart. You gotta be willing to call a spade a spade. You gotta be willing to talk about the pros and the cons of the thing, of the decision, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And furthermore, you should be talking about their true questions, fears, worries, concerns, not shying away from them, not afraid that they're gonna ask about them and hoping that they don't in that sales call. And so therefore, you're going to talk about it. You're going to address it.